Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Great! Wow! Thanks for helping out! What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Only the boldest adventurers will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's the way. We all love your train set. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass.